I am studying 8th class. Today's news reading by 8th class. International news. Astronomer unveil 400 sibling star clusters in Milky Way. A giant crack is retreating through Africa hidden beneath the surface at high speed. Russian President Putin to visit India for annual summit on December 4 and 5. Nation news. India signs 7,900 crore deal with us for MH-60R heavy helicopter support. India's GDP rises by 8.2% in quarter 2 despite Trump traffic's highest in 6 quarters. India has rushed aid to cyclone Diwat hit Sri Lanka under Operation Sagar Bandhu. State news Andhra Pradesh. AP CM Chandrababu Naidu to visit Eluru district on Monday for pension distribution. APP heavy rain expected in coastal Andhra due to cyclone storm. Sport news. In badminton, India settler Tanvi Sharma advances into semi-finals of Syed Modi International Badminton Tournament in Lucknow. That's all for today's bulletin. నేటి మంచి మాట, ప్రపంచంలో అతి ఖరీదైన వస్తువు నమ్మకం. సంపాదించుకోవడానికి సంవత్సరాలు పడుతుంది, పోగొట్టుకోవడానికి సెకండ్ చాలు. టుడేస్ జీకే క్వశ్చన్. హూ వాస్ నౌన్ యాజ్ మిసైల్ మ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా? ఆన్సర్ ఏపీజే అబ్దుల్ కలాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.